In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Teespring account and launch your very first product. If you have been wanting to break into the world of print-on-demand and start selling your own custom merchandise online, this complete guide will take you through the entire process step by step, completely from scratch. To start, open up your web browser, navigate to your preferred search engine, and type in Teespring. Click on the official link to open up their main homepage. Once the page loads, click on the prominent Start Creating option located right on the screen. This will instantly direct you to the registration page. From here, you have a couple of straightforward choices to set up your profile. You can opt for the traditional method by manually typing in your name, entering a valid email address, and generating a strong, secure password. After filling out those details, make sure to check the small acknowledgement box right below the fields to accept their terms. Alternatively, you can streamline the process by selecting the option to sign in using your existing Google or Facebook credentials, which links your profile automatically. Once your information is ready, go ahead and click on the Sign Up button. Immediately after signing up, the platform will prompt you to type in a unique name for your new storefront. Choose something memorable that represents your brand, input it into the designated box, and click Continue. This will officially activate your account and bring you straight into your new creator dashboard. Now that your account is ready, it is time to launch your very first custom item. Look at your dashboard and click on the Start Creating or Create Product button. This action opens up the Design Launcher, showcasing a wide variety of catalog items you can customize, ranging from apparel like t-shirts and hoodies to accessories like mugs and tote bags. Select the specific item you want to start with to open the design canvas. Here, you can click on the Upload Image option to add your own custom artwork or logo file directly onto the item. The tool allows you to easily adjust your graphic by dragging the corners to resize it and positioning it perfectly within the printable area template. You can also choose the default color variants you want to offer to your customers by selecting from the available color squares. Once your design looks exactly the way you want it, scroll down to set up your pricing structure. You will see both the base cost of manufacturing and a recommended retail price. Adjust the retail price to determine exactly how much profit you want to earn on each individual sale. When you are satisfied with your margins, click on the Continue button. This brings you to the final listing details page. Type in a catchy, descriptive title for your item and write a brief description detailing the design or fabric to attract potential buyers. Finally, double-check your custom URL link for the listing. Ensure the visibility is set to public so anyone can view it, and click on the Publish Listing button. The platform will take a few moments to generate your product images and make your brand new item live on the marketplace. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.